Hey guys. Okay, so you might have noticed that with our text tips recently, we've been rocking a bit of a planning 101, let's just call it, theme. So I thought, hey, why not just carry that theme through to this week's video? Let's answer the age-old question, when does a town planner get involved? Now, there is a very, very big difference between when a town planner typically gets involved and when we would like to ideally get involved. See, the reality is most people have absolutely no idea what town planning is. As a result, they typically get all the way through the design process, all the way through the costing process, and then they're at the certifier's doorstep. They've got the builder lined up, they're ready to start construction next week, and the certifier turns around and goes, guys, where's your town planning approval? And they go, town approval, what are you talking about? And they have to come all the way back to us. It is not fun getting involved at that very end stage or that end process, because by that point, everyone is emotionally and financially committed to a design. They don't like it when people like myself turn up and go, yeah, so you want to extend to the rear. Yeah, you see that tree? It's a protected tree and it's not going anywhere. Well, you've got waterway corridor at the back. Or that house, it's pre-1911. You're not going to be able to remove the rear facade to extend back. Whatever the reason is, we tend to throw up a lot of curveballs and subsequently crush a lot of people's hopes and dreams. Now, if you're doing that at the end, it's really, really painful. What we much prefer to do is get involved right at the start of the process. In an ideal world, it would be before someone purchased the property. So they would come to us and they would say, hey, I'm looking to buy this property, but I need to extend to the rear. I need to put another 2 bedrooms on the back, or I need to put a pool in the backyard, whatever it is. They would say that to us. We would analyze the property and go, okay, here's what you need to be aware of. That protected tree, you're going to have to work around it. Well, you've got flooding, so you're going to have to lift it at 1.5 meters off the ground, whatever the thing is. You can give them that information and those options up front. They can then make an informed decision about whether they want to continue with the purchase or look for another property. It is so much easier and much more positive to have those conversations before people are committed to a property, a design, all of that sort of stuff. Now, if the person already owns the property, the next best stage is before you start the design process. If that's not possible, early in the design process, you get the idea. Basically, the sooner, the better. That is the moral of the story with this week's video. Get us involved as early as possible. Okay, that covers off everything that I wanted to talk about. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number 2, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.